How to make an elastic bracelet without glue. My name is Queen. My hobby is DIY art and do something creative. So I love beautiful stones and study how to make types of jewelry. So in the right side, this is the final product. I made this elastic bracelet with simple metal hood which don't need to use glue. So this metal hood is great for the small beads or beads with a tiny hole. Tools and materials. So we need beads, string, wire, scissors, and pliers. It's not necessary, but when the string is slippery, we use pliers to make it easier. So safety tips: don't do it around small children or pets. They might swallow the small substances or cut themselves from this project. So choose the beads and design for the bracelet. Measure the length of the bracelet and prepare the string to be able to insert the beads. Insert the beads really carefully. So first beads should be a little bit bigger because later on you gotta put the knots inside the beads. So I prefer to use the bigger beads at the first one. For the first one. So remove the wire when you finish insert the beads and untie or cut the knot at the back. Use one side of the string to pull the string where the wire was. When the string is connected, tie them up and make knots. Make sure the length is not too tight or loose. So make the knots like 5 times for simple one knot. Step 3.5. Secure the knot really well. So we're going to make another type of knot. So one knot we'll close it like 3 times so that it will secure more well. So whenever you check the knot is tight, cut the end of the string and finish. Then after you cut the knot, please insert the knot inside the beads, whichever bigger hole is better. So just to make it look more professional. So while you're pulling the string, don't try to cut the string. So thank you for watching. I believe everyone has own inspiration and creativity as unique ideas. Utilize what you have and make something different. Be who you are. Any further information, please email me. And thank you and have a wonderful day.